because radical is, for me, it is manual of my life. Okay, I know myself better with radical. Radical is fundamentals of your being. Radical heals that whole and soul part of your personality. So radical is much more than a therapy. Radical shapes up your personality in a way that you don't need any therapy.
So tell me something about yourself, Deepa.
Okay, I'm Deepa Purushottam from Ahmedabad. Basically, I'm a science student. Have spent 12 years of my career in sales and marketing with different corporates. And since last couple of years, I'm exploring the alternate healing modalities, the spiritual aspect of life.
How did you hear about Radical, Deepa?
Radical before 2 years. It was like in since last 43 years of my life, I have been playing different characters like daughter, mother, wife, and professional. So there was a time wherein the all characters jumbled and I forgot about my original self. Something was missing in life, though everything was there. And that was the time I met Dr. Sophia Rangwala. She's from Bangalore. And she spoke to me about radical, that Deepa, if you ever get chance, explore about the radical. And then she told me Atman is there in Ahmedabad only. So I happened to meet Atman. And the very first meeting, it was such a short conversation I had with Atman, and it just clicked. And then the journey started. I started my first learning from Uma from Bombay, the crystalline mind. And ever since I have not stopped. I'm just pursuing my journey with radical.
So was there any moment where you were like, oh yes, Radical is meant for me. I need to do this. So what prompted you to learn about Radical? So yeah, or follow
So
Radical.
as I said, I have explored many healing modalities. I would not like to name all of them, but my basic quest was to know what is life, why life is like this, the way it is. How can I make it better? Or maybe if I say in a different terms, like there were many incidents in life wherein I felt that would not have happened with me. Why did it happen with me? And many of the incidents, they had left certain scars in my personality and life, which I wanted to correct, but then I had no way to do it. So that was the reason I was exploring the different things. And when I knew about radical, radical is the way of life. It helps you to know your original self. And once you know your original self, there is no scope of comparison or fear of being judged by others. You are just you, and you start enjoying life the way you want. So if I say, while practicing radical, the mysteries of life started, the layers of, what do I say, I started unpeeling the hidden layers of the life, and I could recognize that, oh, everything, whatever had happened, I was the cause. It was all because of me. There was no one else to blame in life. And that moment was something which, it was like, oh, since it is all has started with me, it should end with me, but beautifully, effortlessly. And that's how radical had help. Yeah, so radical, now I cannot imagine my life without radical. So every now and then, even if there is a little fight with husband or some arguments with bacha or something happens outside, even the car breaks down, immediately you start thinking, what's happening in my space? So radical is the way of life for me right now.
So somewhere you've found all your answers with Radical.
I would say, yeah. And it's not about even finding about the answers. It's just going ahead effortlessly. Having that faith in life that whatever is happening for good. And somewhere I am the one who has created this and I am the one who is going to leave it.
Wow.
So, yeah. So there's no more questions or answers now in life. It's just about sailing smoothly.
Deepa, tell me, if you have to describe radical in 3 words, how would you do that?
Three words are too less, but still I would try to
Or
explain
maybe
it.
few words.
Okay, two words. All of us, radical is, for me, it is manual of my life. Okay, I know myself better with radical. Radical is fundamentals of your being, and radical is going ahead in life with full faith in life itself. Radical is all about clarity, awareness, and loving your own self.
So when did you feel, Deepa, that radical is much more than therapy now? At which point in your life did you feel it's much more
Okay,
than
so
therapy?
see what I personally feel, when somebody goes for therapy, the person is looking for a particular point or event to be resolved. Now with radical, when you say that it is much more than therapy, because radical doesn't heal a particular event, radical heals that whole and soul part of your personality. So whatever events are related to that particular personality of yours, all of them gets resolved in one go. So it's not about like fever. It's not about like, it's if it's a fever, you are taking paracetamol and fever is gone, infection is still there. No, with radical, you are curing everything at one go. So radical is much more than a therapy. Radical shapes up your personality in a way that you don't need any therapy.
Do you have any aha moments with radical?
Many aha moments. All of us, like if I give a specific example, all my life I was like, my pattern of life was of betrayal. Okay. And when with the help of radical, when I went inside myself and I started self introspection with help of radical, I could realize that all of us, the betrayal was invited because it was my need to force myself to others, and when others used to feel suffocated, they used to go away, and I used to consider that as a betrayal. It was my need to be needed by others, and once that realization happened, it was like, I mean, all my life I was sad considering people are betraying me, they are just going away from me and all. But then that realization itself, that it was my need to be needed by them, the entire series was like deleted from life. Those people who were in the list of those betrayal ones, now suddenly uh, they have become like uh, a tutor who taught me a lesson that you don't have to play any role in anybody's life. Just let them be. You know, if they need, they will connect to you. You don't have to go and force yourself to anyone. So that was the biggest aha moment for me, because all my life I was, in that zone that people betray me kind of
Hmm.
thing. And there are many, if I start talking about, it won't end. So like, this is the main, like that has changed my perception about people and life completely, that it's always your need to be needed by others. Others are okay without you. Yeah.
So Deepa, like we've discussed, we all go through ups and downs in life. Like you said, you had your phases of ups and downs in life. How did radical shift your perspective, and how do you deal with them now?
So now these ups and downs are no more ups and downs. They are part of journey. So you have to enjoy them. You are aware, your awareness has expanded. So when you are in peak of something, you know that fall can come anytime. When you are falling, you know that, okay, there is a road ahead, I can anytime come up. So it's a part of journey and not the stop, you know. So the perspective has changed completely. I'm enjoying every ups and down now, because everything is coming to teach me something other. So I'm waiting for challenges in life so that I can deal with them, and then I learn, and then I life becomes more interesting.
ask you one thing. Radical seems to be an integral part of you, definitely. But do you think you will be able to sustain it? I mean, normally, like you said, you would learn so many modalities, right? And then radical happened to you. So radical has happened. So what about the sustenance? Do you think you can?
So as I said Aarti earlier, that the other modality what I have learned, they are specific to certain points of life. Okay. When I talk about radical, I consider it is a way of living life. It's a kind of a philosophy what you're following. So you don't have to work hard to sustain it. You just have to live with it. It has become the integral part. My thinking is now a radical way of thinking, So the question of sustaining, no, I'm leaving it. So as long as I'm leaving, radical is there. So I don't have to try hard to sustain it. It's just part of me now.
Lovely, Deepa. And so, Deepa, what is your message for future participants? So, anyone who wishes to join Radical or whoever is listening to you today, what is that message you would want to give to everyone?
Oh, I would love to invite each and everybody on this planet Earth that please expose yourself to this radical philosophy that will help you to know yourself better. And once you know yourself better, life is going to be effortless, life is going to be easy, everything is meaningful in life. Yeah. So that's the message. Please go and expose yourselves to radical and learn so that life becomes easy.